I recently came across a product called Glyco Ultra, and it's being marketed as a natural solution for regulating blood sugar, boosting metabolism, and even helping manage conditions like diabetes. The ads make it sound like a simple supplement that can completely restore your health, fix blood sugar problems naturally. But here's the truth: Glyco Ultra is heavily overhyped, and many of its claims are not backed by scientific evidence. So, quick disclaimer before we continue. This video is for educational and awareness purpose only. So now let's break it down. So first, what the Glyco Ultra actually is. So it's basically a supplement, our dietary supplement made with common ingredients like berberine, cinnamon extract, bitter melon, and chromium. Some of these ingredients have limited research suggesting they may slightly support blood sugar balance in certain situations, but that's very difficult from proving that the finished product itself can relate to diabetes and can itself relate to diabetes and other facilities that it promises. But that's very different from proving that the finished product can itself regulate diabetes or dramatically improve health. And that's the key issue. So the Glyco Ultra formula itself does not appear to be clinically tested. So now let's talk about the claims. The ad suggests this supplement can regulate blood sugar, improve insulin sensitivity, boost metabolism, and even help in manage serious medical conditions, but there is no strong clinical evidence proving this product can do any of that. So, no supplement should be viewed as a replacement for medical treatment, especially for conditions like diabetes. And now the marketing tactics are it's one of the major red flags. So, if you go through the marketing tactics, it makes if you want to buy the product, it shows aggressive marketing and different of other buzzword in order to make you sell the product. So the product are often promoted through aggressive ad using fake doctor endorsement, AI generated videos, emotional testimonials, and scientific sounding buzzword like clinically proven or doctor are recommended without actual proof behind them. And there's another important point. The company mainly imply the product is FDA approved, but that's misleading because the FDA does not approve any dietary supplements. Some consumers are also reporting the recurring billing after once the purchase has been made, and it's very hard for them to cancel those charges. Some consumer also report that the product is not as satisfactory as it promises. So now when you step back and look at bigger picture, so Glyco is just a simple dietary supplement and not a major thing that has sounds like it promises. So appears to be another just generic supplement being sold through exaggerated promises, misleading sciences, and aggressive marketing tactics. So if you buy it expecting dramatic blood loss and sugar results, you'll likely end up disappointed. So if you've seen this product or tried it yourself, drop your experience in the comments, like, subscribe, and stay sharp.